Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. So today I'm going to be using two different palettes and they just so happen to be dupes. So one of them is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This is how it looks. And then the dupe for it, I ordered it online on shophush.com. They were sold out of it, but I signed up to get a notification when it was back in stock, so I ordered it as soon as it was back in stock. And it is the Bad Habit Royals palette. So it looks like this. Very different packaging than the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. It does feel very luxurious though. It's heavy. It doesn't feel like cheap, but it was only 10 bucks. This was 10 bucks and this was 42 bucks. 10 bucks, 42 bucks. So this is how it looks on the inside. Very similar, right? Let me give you a side by side. Here is how they look side by side. This is the Anastasia one and this is the Bad Habit Royals palette. So they are basically the exact same palette. Just the shades in the Bad Habits one, they're just like mix matched, but they're literally the same and they have, they're literally the same and they have the exact same colors. In the video I'm going to be doing like swatches of the eyeshadows that I did use so you can see the comparison, but I mean based on the eye look, I mean they're pretty similar, I would say. So if you want to see how I got this look right here for Valentine's Day, just keep watching and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like, thumbs up, comment down below, whatever. But yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm gonna take these cat ears that I got from Forever 21 to move the hair out of my face. So I'm first going to start off by using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And I'm just going to apply this to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows I'm going to use later on. Next I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and also the Shop Hush Bad Habit Royals palette. So in the Anastasia palette, I'm going to take this shade called Warm Taupe, and I'm just going to apply this as my transition shade. So just keeping this in the crease and outer corners of the eye. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, which is the dupe for the Warm Taupe shade from the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take this color right here called Buon Fresco. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but I'm just going to keep it in the crease and outer corners of my eye, just lower in the crease. Then I'm going to take the dupe eyeshadow color in the Royals palette and do the exact same thing to the other side of the eye. To the other eye. Then I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here called Venetian Red, and I'm just going to keep this even lower in the crease and outer corners of the eye just to make this eyeshadow look more mauve-y and Valentine's Day-y, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to take the dupe shade from the Royals palette and do the exact same thing to my other eye. Now I'm going to take these Burt's Bees makeup remover wipes and just create a sharp line on the outsides of the eyeshadow to create a more cat eye look. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Tempura, I believe. And I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. I'm just keeping this shade 3/4 of the way in, not all the way out. And then here I'm blending the edges together. Now I'm going to take the Royals palette dupe for that shade and do the exact same. So just keeping it on my eyelid but not going all the way out. So just keeping it 3/4 on the eyelid. And then again, blending out the edges to make it look seamless with no harsh lines. Now to do my face, I'm going to start by priming off with the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm, and I'm going to apply this all over my face as a base for my foundation. Now I'm going to take the Smashbox Photo Focus Primer and apply this to my T-zone area, so around my nose, my forehead, my chin, just my more porous areas of my face. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer and use this to conceal the parts of my face that tend to have more redness, so around my nose, my chin, my forehead, any acne scars that I have. Then I'm going to try out the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation in the shade Nude. I was just super excited to try this out. I'm going to be using that Real Techniques Diamond Beauty Sponge to apply it. Right there, I was just like sniffing the foundation because I didn't realize that like it smelled like peaches, but it did. Now my camera totally shut off, but I just used those two concealers, the Tarte Shape Tape and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and mixed those two together. Then I set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in Natural Beige. And then I'm just going to take the exact same shades that I used in the crease and smoke them out on my lower lash line. And I'm going to use the same shades that I used from the Anastasia palette and take their dupes from the Royals palette and do the exact same. Now I'm going to take that shade right there and use that as my inner corner highlight and do the exact same with the dupe from the Royals palette. Now I'm going to do my brows off camera. And done. Now I'm going to do some liner. I was actually going to do some wing liner, but then I ended up changing my mind and I just want to stick with just a regular line across my lash line. Here I'm taking these two Makeup Geek contour pans and contouring my face, cheekbones, forehead, jawline. So I totally forgot to contour my nose, but yeah, I didn't realize until I was literally putting away all of my makeup after I filmed the video. Now I'm going to go in with the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm going to take that peachy blush and apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to take that highlighting shade that I'm freaking in love with and apply that to my cheekbones, my Cupid's bow, and my nose. Now I'm going to apply some falsies. These are the Ardell Wispies, and I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue in clear. So I do have eyelash extensions at this point in time that I was filming this video, but they were all like falling off and it was time for me to get them refilled. So I just put on some falsies. But yeah, and then I'm just curling them with my natural lashes. Now I'm going to take that same shade that I used to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and use it to highlight my brow bone as well. And do the exact same with the Royals palette dupe eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara, and use this for my lower lashes. Then I'm going to line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K lip liner. And then I'm going to go in and use the Kylie Cosmetics Dolce K liquid lipstick. Then to set my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray, and that completes this look. Alright guys, that completes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace out, my Buena babes, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.